Hey guys, just wanted to put a quick video out there for anybody struggling with 2008 Chevy Tahoes and a check engine light of P0308 Misfire, cylinder 8 Misfire. So saw a lot of videos out there, not much in terms of troubleshooting, just hey, it could be this, hey, it could be that. Ultimately took it to a recommended place from two different friends in the neighborhood. I'm not familiar with general mechanical maintenance. I do my best, but ultimately I got to talk to a lot of people before I make any attempt on my own. And good news was it was really just related to spark plug wires. So we had the spark plugs replaced about 3 months ago, but the spark plug wires were not a part of that. So I'll show you here. We got new spark plug wires. There's 4 on this side, and the cylinder 8 Misfire was over here on this side of the engine, back there. So we were fortunate that that was an easy fix. Engine's running a lot smoother now. But anybody else out there with the 2008 Chevy Tahoe, or that generation of Chevy Tahoes, I think it's from 07 to 14. We've got 145,000 miles on ours. Looking for some general tips on maintenance, things to look out for, stay ahead of maintaining this thing so we don't get caught with it broken and not usable. Family of 4, so we need it. All right, hope everybody's doing well. You take care out there, YouTube.